Alright, so today we're doing something special today. So today, as you guys can see, we are in a different settings. We are in my kitchen. So today we're going to be cooking, and today I just want to make something that my mom always used to make when we was kids, and it was my favorite of all times. So I kind of wanted to share it with you guys as well. So before sharing this delicious recipe with you guys, which is really easy and quick to be honest with you guys, so this is more like a lazy kind of guy, but just a little bit of work, but it's totally worth it because it's totally good. Before getting into all of that, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys want to pee. If you guys want to be a part of the royalty family, and if you guys are new, welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Princess China, and this is the royalty family. And yeah, we post videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And lately, I've been up and at it in the mood, and I've been excited that I've been like recording a lot for you guys. So I'm actually excited, and we actually been starting Vlogtober. So I know I started a little late, but better late than never, right guys? So we're gonna be kind of like posting like almost every day. So I'm kind of excited. It's a little challenge for me because usually, as you guys notice, I don't post all the time, but Vlogtober actually has me motivated. So we about to vlog every day, I guess, if you want to say that. But yeah, let me stop stalling. Let's get into this video, and I guess you guys want to know what I'm talking about. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so these are our ingredients. We got 3 little baby bananas. We got our fork. We have our bowl that we're going to put all our ingredients in. We have our flour. We have a cup of water. And we have sugar to see if you want to like sweeten it up a little bit. If you want to, it's totally up to you. So since we have only 3 little bananas, we're not going to put so much flour. So I tend to just estimate. A little bit of sugar. Now we're just gonna mix it. You want it to be liquidy, sort of, kind of. So like pancake, you want to make it like pancake kind of mixture, kind of nice. And so basically we're making a batter for the bananas. I'm going to take the bananas and I'm just going to dip them in the batter. Right here on the side, I didn't show you guys, but right here I have my fire, which I should have put my oil to start heating up. Okay, so just gonna make sure that's all nice and mixed up. Make sure there's no big clumps in here because you don't want to be eating big doughy. I have that nice and set. As you guys can see, it's a nice consistency. It's a nice, very good consistency. All right. So now that I put my oil to start, I probably should have put that to a long time ago, but it's alright. So now we're just going to open up our bananas here. And it's totally up to you if you want to cut it in half. Oh my god, I already broke it. If you want to cut it in half. So you're just going to take the banana and I put it in the batter. take the other piece because there is no man left behind. Okay. And our third banana. So I'm just gonna throw that out. Alright. So now what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna smear the bananas in the batter. Check the fire. You just don't want to make sure that it's not too high because you don't want your bananas to burn. You want it to have like a nice crisp to it. Okay, so we're gonna dip our first banana. As soon as you dip it, you want to make sure you want to grab a spoon too, because you want to actually cover the banana. So let me just do it right here, and I'm just going to show you guys on what I mean by cover the banana. So you kind of want to make like so kind of like a bed, so kind of, so it looks like a little pastry like this. Okay, so we're going to put in the other one. Alright, so you're going to want to wait for it to bake, so you kind of want the bottom to get a little firm. So I'm just going to put the fire up just a little bit so that this bottom part could get nice and crunchy, if that makes any sense. Guys, I'll be back when they're ready to flip so that you guys can see how they look. Mi gente, you guys do not understand how much my mouth is watering right now. You guys do not understand how much I want to dig into this already. Whew. Those might be ready. Ooh. Ooh. You guys, my mouth is watering. I love these things. All right. So now let me just put in the last one. I feel like when you make the flour and stuff, you should like rinse out the bowl so that it doesn't stick, so that when it's time to clean, it doesn't give you a hard time, you know, scraping it in there. Ew! I'm just, ignore the sound, it's just the vent that's going on. I just don't want too much heat going on in this grill, because, girl, child. Woo! Let me turn that off. Let me take that off the stove. Take that off. Fire! 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 Yeah, yeah. Right. I'm gonna give you one, but you can't be mean about it because I know how you are. So I'm just gonna give you the smallest piece because you're a little different. So ooh, Zahra. Ooh, you thought that you was a cook? Ooh, girl, mejor Toby. Toby knows how to cook better than you do. You know what? This is why I never let you out the closet. This is why I never let you out of the closet to begin with, because you're so rude. You're so how do I say it? Ungrateful. My life would either see that. You don't enjoy nothing. You know what? This, you know, this is not yours anymore. I'm gonna eat it now. You thought this was like a two-stepper. I'm the one to play with.